Good morning, my dear students. Welcome to my class. I am Shoma Rai, lecturer in English, Paigasa Government College, Paigasa, Khulna. Dear students, in our previous class, we discussed whom. In our previous classes, who and whom have ended. Now, today, I will discuss what. Before discussing what, I will solve homework of whom that I gave you in my previous class. Firstly, number 1, she offered Lisa a cup of tea. Here, she subject, then offered verb, Lisa object. And you know, instead of object, a person, instead of a person in the object, you will bring whom. So, firstly, you will bring whom. Then auxiliary verb. There's no auxiliary verb here, and it is ed. And instead of ed, you will bring did as the auxiliary verb. Then subject. Subject she. Whom did she? W is what auxiliary verb, subject. Then rest of the sentence except answer. It is our second rule. You know that I discussed in our previous classes. First rule is W is what plus rest of the sentence plus note of interrogation. And second rule is W is what plus auxiliary verb plus subject, then rest of the sentence except answer. And here object a person Lisa, and instead of Lisa you will bring whom. Then auxiliary verb did, then subject she. W is what auxiliary verb, subject. This is the second rule. Then Lisa, here instead of Lisa you will bring whom, and you will omit Lisa from the question. Then A, whom did she? Then verb 1, offer, verb. Whom did she offer? I will omit Lisa from the question because it is the statement, and this is the difference of statement and question. Here in the statement you will find Lisa a person, but in the question you will omit the answer. Here Lisa is the answer. So whom did she offer a cup of tea? Whom did she offer a cup of tea? Then note of interrogation. Then number 2, I want to talk to Mr. Tauhid. Here Mr. Tauhid is a person, and here Mr. Tauhid is in the object. So instead of object and a person you will bring whom. Then 1, verb 1. So here there's no auxiliary verb, and instead of V1 you will bring do as the auxiliary verb. Then I, first person. I, first person, you know, first person becomes second person in the case of W's question. So here I becomes you. Whom do you? W is our auxiliary verb, subject. It is the second rule. Whom do you? Then verb 1, then 2, talk 2, then note of interrogation. Here Mr. Tauhid is the answer, and I will omit the answer from the question. Then number 3, he is gossiping with his friend. Here is the auxiliary verb and his friend here also object and a person. His friend is a person, and instead of a person in the object you will bring whom, then auxiliary verb is, then subject he. Whom is he gossiping? Then preposition with, then note of interrogation, and I will omit his friend because it is his friend here is the answer, and you will omit the answer from the question. Now number 4, I am waiting for my uncle. Here my uncle is a person, and instead of my uncle you will bring whom, then auxiliary verb here am, but I becomes you, so you will bring auxiliary verb are, because after you, whom are after you, auxiliary verb are comes after you, so whom are, I becomes you, whom are you, then waiting for, whom are you waiting for? Here my uncle is answer, and I will omit the answer from the question. Number 5, homework number 5, Sharif wants to meet the principal. Here the principal is the object, and instead of object you will bring whom. Object instead of object and a person you will bring whom, then wants here verb 1 plus s, and instead of this verb you will bring does, because there is no auxiliary verb here. You know there are 24 auxiliary verbs in our English grammar. They are primary auxiliaries and modal auxiliaries. I discussed them in our previous classes. There is no auxiliary verb, so you will bring does as the auxiliary verb. Whom does, then subject Sharif. Whom does Sharif want to meet? Whom, there is no preposition here, so we will bring rest of the WH or auxiliary verb subject, then rest of the sentence except answer. It is the second rule. My dear students, then number 6, have you understood? Please write down in your khata, in your paper, we should call in a doctor. Here shall is the auxiliary verb, and here shall is the modal auxiliary. You know shall, will, should, would, can, could, may, might, ought to, used to, need, dare, must. These are the modal auxiliaries. And subject here, object a doctor, and instead of object you will bring whom. Object a person, instead of object and a person you will bring whom, then WH word will, because we becomes here you, and after you will comes, so you, whom, after whom you will bring not shall and will. Whom will, then we becomes you, because first person becomes the second person. Whom will you, call verb, then in preposition, then note of interrogation. Here a doctor is the answer, and I will omit the answer from the question. Do you understand, my dear students? I will clear my board now. here you will bring hot instead of thing. Profession. Height. And age. And others. Time. Here, what has many rules. Firstly, I will discuss the rule what for. What dot for. Number 1, Minnie left a chocolate. Chocolate for Anika. Then number 2, Dinaspoor is famous for fine rice. Number 3, Dhaka is famous for rickshaw. I am looking for a job. Actually, in first WS word who I discussed 2 rules. First rule, and you will follow that 2 rules for all WS words. Here for for. Here Minnie is the subject and a chocolate is a thing. And instead of a thing you will bring hot. Then here left is the past form of live. So here is the verb 2. Left is the verb 2, and in the case of verb 2 you will bring did as the auxiliary verb, and there is no auxiliary verb here. So what did, subject, meaning. It is the second rule, object directed rule. What did Minnie live? What did Minnie live for Anika? Then note of interrogation. What did Minnie live for Anika? Here a chocolate is the answer, and I will omit the answer from the question. Then number 2, Dinaspoor is famous for fine rice. Here fine rice is also a thing, and instead of a thing you will bring what. Then here there is auxiliary verb and it is primary auxiliary is. What is Dinaspoor? You know primary auxiliaries are am, is, are, ajoy, have, has, had, do, does, did. So here is the primary auxiliary. What is Dinaspoor famous for? Then note of interrogation. What is Dinaspoor famous for? Here fine rice is the answer, and I will omit the answer from the question. Then number 3, Dhaka is famous for rickshaw. Here, rickshaw is a thing and it is in the object. So you will follow the object-directed rule. W is or, then here is the primary auxiliaries, then subject Dhaka. What is Dhaka famous for? Rest of the sentence except answer. Here rickshaw is the answer and I will omit rickshaw from my question. What is Dhaka famous for? Then number 4. I am looking for a job. Here, instead of a job and object, you will follow object-directed rule because here object a job is in the object and here is the question what? What? Then auxiliary verb am. Here you will bring are because here I becomes you. What are you? I first person and in the case of W is question, first person becomes second person and second person you after you it comes are comes after you. So what are you? Then looking for. What are you looking for? Then note of interrogation. My dear students, write down them hurriedly in your paper. I will clear my board now. It is the rule what dot for. Then I will discuss the rule what dot look like. What dot look like. Number 1. The lady looks like an actress. Number 2. The man looks like an actor. Number 3. She looks like a pearl. Pearl means mukta. She looks like a pearl. Then number 4. The girl looks like a rose. Here there is for example. Now firstly the lady looks like an actress. Here an actress, a person, and you will follow the rule what daughter look like. So what, then looks here is a verb and there is no auxiliary verb, so you will bring does as the auxiliary verb. For S, what does, then subject the lady. What does the lady, then look main verb, look like. What does the lady look like? Then number 2, the man looks like an actor. Here as the same rule, like number 1, you will bring firstly what, then auxiliary verb does, because there is no auxiliary verb here, so you will bring does as the auxiliary verb. What does, then subject the man, then look like. Very simple. Dear student, have you understood? What does the man look like? Then number 3. She looks like a pearl. What? Instead of a pearl, you will bring what? Then does. What does? Then subject she. What does she? Then look like. A person, object here. What does she look like? Does. Then number 4, the girl looks like a rose. Here, instead of a rose, you will bring what? Then auxiliary verb does. Because there is no auxiliary verb here, then subject the girl. What does the girl look like? Then note of interrogation. Have you understood, my dear students? Here 4 example of what daughter look like. Then I will discuss another rule. What? Another rule of what? If there is an adjective before the noun, then what? He, number 1, he likes an honest man. Number 2, Warjot is a romantic poet. Warjot is a romantic poet. So here 2 kinds of example of adjective before noun. Here honest is an adjective and romantic is also an adjective, and man is the noun, poet is also a noun. So if there is an adjective before noun, then you will follow the rule. What kind of man? Firstly, rule what kind of, then plus noun, then auxiliary verb, then subject, then rest of the sentence, except answer. Rest of the sentence except answer. Here, what kind of plus noun? Here, it is an adjective and it is noun. It is adjective and it is noun. So, here, firstly, you will bring what kind of? What kind of? Here, noun man. So, what kind of man? Then auxiliary verb does. You will bring does as the auxiliary verb. What kind of man does? Then subject he. What kind of noun plus auxiliary verb? what kind of plus man is the noun, and then auxiliary verb does, then subject he. What kind of man does he? Then rest of the sentence except answer. Here honest is the answer, and you will bring what kind of does he here lie. Does he here, then verb lie. Then note of interrogation. So what kind of man does he lie? Instead of an honest, you will bring here. You have brought what instead of an honest. Here an honest is the answer, and I will omit the answer from the question. Then number 2, Wordsworth is a romantic poet. So here romantic, a romantic is an adjective. Romantic is an adjective. So firstly you will bring what kind of. What kind of, then poet. What kind of poet? Here is the primary auxiliaries. What kind of poet is author. What kind of poet is author? Here note of interrogation. Then I will discuss another rule. Instead of time, you will bring what time here. It is 10 o'clock now. Instead of time, you will bring what is the time now. What is the time now. Then number 2, it is 15 minutes to 10. What is the time now, or what time is it now? What time is it now? You will bring this what is the time now or what time is it now instead of time of the clock. Here 15 minutes is the time of the clock and 10 o'clock it is also the time of the clock. We have discussed 3 or 4 rules today, and in our next class I will discuss another rule of thought. Now from these rules I will give you some homework. Homework number 1. The boy bought some books. Number 2. The news makes him laugh. Number 3. They are playing cricket. Number 4. I enjoyed a drama last night. Number 5. The boy ate the me. Number 6. Shirin lost her purse. So, my dear students, our time is over.